everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on with another fun-filled DIY for you guys, but using items from the dollar store and more. Okay, I have these rings that I got from the Dollar Tree. I forgot what they're used for, and I threw away the paper. Anyways, I'm going to be painting them with some silver paint all over. And today's two DIYs is part of a collaboration, a glamorous mirror wall collaboration, but I'm doing with DIY with AUREA. So now our three circles are all painted and dried. We are going to put them together, and I'm going to mark off the space because I'm going to be putting mirror tiles and I don't want it to go right around. Leave a little spacing, so I'm just going to carve out the spot where I don't want to place any mirror tiles. And now I am going to use some mirror tiles, cut them into strips and place them going right around our circles. Miss AUREA's channel, she does lovely DIYs over on her channel, so I'm going to leave the link below, and I need you guys to go over and check her out and also see what she did for this collaboration between me and her with some mirrored wall decor for your home. And please tell her that Petalisbless sent you over. Okay, now that we got the mirror tiles on the outside of the circles, now we're going to be placing them on the inside of each circle. Now all the circles are done, and the spaces that I left out, we are going to join them together and glue our circles using some E6000 and some hot glue. Now I'm going to be using some craft sticks. I cut into little pieces and placing them onto our design to help enforce and keep them firm. And now I flipped it over and I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to be adding some of these pieces here that I got from BEEBEECRAFT. And they come with a self-adhesive on the back, so we're just going to take that off and add them to our circles. And now I'm going to be adding some of this GLAM chain here that I also got from BEEBEECRAFT, using some E6000, going right around each of our circles. And here is our finished look. A lovely piece of mirrored wall decor. And here's how it looks on the wall. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. Now on to DIY number 2. These are the items that we'll be using. And we have this wood canvas board here that I got from the dollar store, and I will be painting it with some silver acrylic paint. Okay, so now our canvas is all dry with the silver paint. I'll be adding some of these mirrored sheets with the self-adhesive on the back to our canvas. So we just take off the backing. And I'll be adding some E6000 for extra support. And now that that's all done, I'll be adding some more of these little bling circle things here. I love how they look, so I'm just lining them up in the pattern that I want. And then I will take off the adhesive on the back and just lay them onto our canvas. And now I'm going to be adding some of my favorite bling chain just to the center of our mirrors. And now that that's all done, we can remove the protective sheet off of our mirrors. Hold up, I changed my mind. I'm going to add some more of our GLAM chain going down, just like you see I'm doing here. And as you see, I'm doing it to both sides. And now I'm adding some even smaller pieces. I like it. I think it looks nice like this. And here is the finished look. I like how it turned out. I like it better with the GLAM chain. I thought it looked too plain when I first finished, so I added the chain and I like how it looks. I think it looks very nice. And here it is on the wall. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I hope everyone will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 wall decors. Alright everyone, remember to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.